Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to use our webhook to connect to thousands of other online services. This makes it possible to automate follow-up processes after each respondent completes a form. And that can save you a lot of time and effort. To demonstrate this, we already prepared a simple form that collects the respondent's name and country. Now we want to automatically add this to a Google Sheets file. To do that, we will use Zapier as our automation tool. We have already started a new Zap in Zapier. First step is now to configure the trigger so your Tripetto form can be connected. To do so, we search for Webhook by Zapier and select that. Next step is to determine the trigger event. For that, we select Catch Hook. This will watch for new responses from your Tripetto form. Now click Continue. Now you see that Zapier has created a webhook URL for this Zap. That's the URL that the Tripetto form will reach out to after each form submission. You can copy that to your clipboard so we can use it to enter inside your Tripetto form. Now you switch back to Tripetto to connect your form with your Zapier Zap. To do so, open the Automate screen from the top menu bar. This will open up the Automate screen to the right of the builder. The third option over there is the webhook. Simply activate that option, and you will see you can enter the webhook URL that you want to trigger. And here you paste the webhook URL you got from Zapier. Next step is to tell Zapier which fields it can expect from your form. To do that, you switch back to Zapier. Then click Continue and you will see Zapier now is open to receive a test response. To submit a test entry, go back to Tripetto and open the shareable link of your form from the share screen. Now simply fill out your form once. If you now switch back to Zapier, you can click Test Trigger. You will see the magic starting to work. Zapier has noticed a new response which contains the data you just entered in your form. Now we can connect other services to this trigger. For this example, we add Google Sheets to our Zap. How you can connect to and configure services depends on which service you select. In this case, you can set up your Google account in the right spreadsheet file. After that, you can connect your form fields to the columns in your Google Sheet. We prepared that Google Sheet already with the right headers. You see those headers can now be connected to the data from your form. You can select the corresponding fields from your Tripetto form into the Google Sheet columns. Now Zapier will make sure the right values are sent to the appropriate columns in your Google Sheet. Your automation is now complete. To test the whole Zap, you click the Test and Review button. Now you will see your test was successful. To check if it actually worked, you can now switch to your Google Sheet, and you will see there that your test response is now automatically added as a new row. After you're done setting up your Zap, make sure you activate it in Zapier to let it work live. From then on, each new form entry will be added as a new row in your Google Sheet. And that's how you set up a webhook connection with Zapier. There are literally thousands of services you can connect to, so the possibilities are endless. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.